Have you ever thought about how a simple phrase can change everything for a woman? Like when you say something that makes her heart race, brings out a smile she doesn't even realize, or creates a memory she'll cherish forever as a special moment. Words have this incredible power. When you choose the right ones, they can build a strong connection, inspire confidence, and even make something magical happen between you two. In today's video, we're going to talk about the magical power of words and how they can help you connect with someone in a truly special way. We'll uncover how to use phrases that spark butterflies, create a deep emotional bond, and bring you closer together. I'll show you simple examples, the perfect timing to say each one, and how to create an atmosphere that's pure attraction. Ready to learn? If this content has already made you see things differently, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and gives me even more energy to bring you amazing tips. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Also, share this video with a friend who needs to step up their game and truly connect. Let's go on this journey together. Let's get started. The secret of words to spark desire. When you choose the right words, you can touch her heart and even stir her emotions and senses. It's not about saying something vulgar or forced, but rather speaking in a way that makes her feel unique, special, and truly desired. It's like an art form. It requires sensitivity, attention, and a touch of care to create this magic in communication. For example, instead of just saying, "You look pretty," why not try something like, "Wow, the way you styled your hair today is amazing. It's impossible not to notice you." This phrase does two amazing things. It shows you noticed something specific about her, demonstrating your attention to detail, and it makes it clear that she has an impact on you. Words like this create a special image in her mind and show her that, to you, she's one of a kind. Another powerful way to spark desire is by creating a sense of anticipation. Phrases that hint at something special or mysterious make the person curious and full of excitement. For example, "Tonight, I've planned something special for you. I can't wait to see your reaction." This achieves two incredible things. It creates mystery, which is super intriguing, and shows that you value your time together. It also gives the feeling that something unique is coming, which is both seductive and captivating. Now that you understand the power of words, let's break them into specific categories. Each type of phrase serves a different purpose, and knowing when to use each one can turn a normal conversation into an unforgettable connection. Ready to dive in? 1. Curiosity and anticipation. This type of phrase is amazing for stirring emotions and creating a delightful sense of expectation. When you say something like, "I have an incredible surprise for you later," or "I've been thinking of something that will bring us even closer. I'm sure you'll love it," you're planting a seed of mystery. And you know what happens? Curiosity takes over. People love imagining what's coming next, and when you hint that something special is on the way, she starts creating scenarios in her mind. What's great is that these scenarios are usually positive and exciting. This type of communication not only holds her attention, but also makes her eagerly look forward to what you've planned. It's like inviting her to a unique experience, which strengthens the bond between you two. 2. Emotional connection. Women truly value a deep emotional connection. When you use words that show vulnerability or sincere admiration, you're building a strong and unbreakable bond. For example, saying something like, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way," or "I never imagined I could feel so connected to someone the way I feel with you," conveys a sense of exclusivity and importance. These words make her realize that she holds a special place in your life, something unique. These phrases aren't just about compliments, they're about showing her how essential she is to you, creating a space of emotional intimacy. This helps build a deeper and more genuine relationship, where both of you feel seen, heard, and understood. 3. Intimacy and charm. There are moments when it's important to express desire subtly but clearly. Phrases that complement her physicality or gestures, without being vulgar, hold immense power. They create a sense of attraction in a respectful and elegant way. For example, saying, "I love how perfectly your body fits with mine," or "There's something about the way you look at me that leaves me speechless," creates an atmosphere of intimacy and desire while maintaining charm. These words have a touch of sensuality but aren't excessive. They clearly show that you desire her in a way that makes her feel valued, respected, and at the same time, irresistible. Phrases like these create a deep connection because they not only convey desire but also genuine admiration for her unique essence, creating an engaging atmosphere. True attraction goes far beyond physical touch. It begins with words. Creating an engaging atmosphere is about delicately suggesting intimacy, awakening the senses even before any physical approach. Imagine saying something like, "I love how your presence lights up the room," as if everything around you becomes more vibrant. Phrases like this not only spark curiosity but also create a soft, seductive mood. By doing so, you're building an emotional connection that goes beyond the surface, making her feel more connected to you even before any touch. These words create an anticipation that stimulates the senses, and when done well, this kind of atmosphere can make any moment more intense and memorable. Phrases like, "I love how you make me feel when we're together," or "just thinking about you brightens my entire day," help to create an environment where she feels genuinely desired, without any pressure or unnecessary expectations. These words let her know she's special to you in a light and natural way. It's the perfect balance between attraction and respect, where you express your desire and appreciation without making her uncomfortable. This type of communication shows that you value the moment and the connection, creating an intimate atmosphere where both of you can feel at ease and excited, without pressures. Knowing the right moment to say something is just as important as the words themselves. Sometimes, a simple phrase can have an incredible impact when said at the right time. Certain words work best when you're in a more vulnerable moment, creating a deep emotional connection. Other phrases are ideal for building anticipation and growing desire. For example, when someone is feeling insecure or needs support, a phrase like, "I love how you give your all to everything you do. It's so inspiring to me," can create a strong emotional bond. But if the goal is to heighten tension and desire, a phrase like, "I've been thinking about you all day," said at the right moment, can fill the air with expectation. The key lies in recognizing the moment and knowing how to use words to connect authentically and impactfully. For example, if she's going through a tough time, you could say, "You are one of the strongest people I know. Even in the most challenging moments, you always find a way to keep going. That inspires me." These words show support, understanding, and admiration. When she feels that you're there for her emotionally, the bond between you becomes even stronger. On the other hand, in lighter, more relaxed moments, you can use phrases that make her smile and show your interest, like, "You have no idea how much I love spending time with you. Every moment feels better than the last." This type of phrase brings lightness and makes her feel appreciated while strengthening the connection between you. Now that you understand how to use words to spark desire, create emotional intimacy, and increase attraction, it's time to put it all into practice. It's not just about memorizing phrases, but understanding the impact they have and using them authentically. Words are powerful tools, but when combined with genuine actions, they can transform any relationship. So, what's the first phrase you'll use today?